Hello everyone. Let's continue today math class. Exercise 12.1 is going on. So I selected one question from the exercise 12.1 of ML Agrawal. Question number 24. Let's see the question number 24. How we have to do that? Find the equation of a line passing through the point minus 2, 3 and having x-intercept 4 units. Did you understand the question? I think that you are familiar with this type of the question, that one point is given and intercept given. But here intercept what given, that x-intercept given. Point given, but x-intercept given. Yes. So if a line intersect on x-axis, what will be point on x-axis? Point will be a0. Why a0? Because on x-axis y value will be 0. Suppose this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. If line intersect on this axis x, suppose this is the line intersect at point A. What can you consider this point A? We can consider a0. Why? Because y is equal to 0 on this line. Okay. So minus 2, 3, one point given, line passing through minus 2, 3, and second is 4 unit. So line is passing through minus 2, 3. It means that maybe line coming from this side minus 2 is having that, but intersecting on where? X-axis. So what point is, at what distance given? At 4 unit. 4 unit. So what should be point this? 4, 0. So we found that 2 point minus 2, 3 and 4, 0. Line passing through 2 points minus 2, 3 and 4, 0. Now what we have to find? We have to find the equation of this straight line passing through minus 2, 3 and 4, 0. Yes, so you are familiar about this, to find the equation of straight line by using the formula. So let's see. Since line having x intercept 4 unit, so let point on x-axis is 4, 0. So line passing through 2 points minus 2, 3 and 4, 0. So equation of required line, line passing through the points minus 2, 3 and 4, 0. So if line passing through 2 points, we have to use the formula. That will be equal to, this is the suppose x1, y1 and this is the x2, y2. This is x1, y1 and if this is the x2, y2. So by using these 2 points, we can find the slope m. M is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay. Or write the direct formula, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1, right? y1 3, y minus 3 is equal to y2 minus y1 0 minus 3 upon x2 4 minus 2, that will be plus. So 4 plus 2 x2 minus x1 4 minus minus 2, that is plus. So 4 plus 2, that became minus 3 upon 6, that will be equal to minus 1 by 2. This is y minus 3 is equal to, so wait. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, then x minus x1 minus 2. X minus x1 means that will be plus. Okay, this is the direct on the formula. Now what you have to do, simplify it. What will get? Equation of straight line. That is equal to y minus 3 is equal to minus 3 upon 6 x plus 2. How minus 3 coming? 0 minus 3. How 0 minus 3 came? Already I explained that. y2 minus y1. y2 here 0 and y1 3. 3 2 ja. That became, this 2 brought here. This 2 bring here. That will be 2y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 2. Now, this total bring left side, 2y minus 6 plus x plus 2 is equal to what? 0. That is equal to 2y plus x minus 6 plus 2, what will be? Minus 4 is equal to. So, your required equation of the line x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. I hope each lines are clear, that there is no doubt in this. Now next question. Now see question number 26 of the same exercise. I am reading the question, try to understand. A, B and C are the vertices of a triangle. A point, B point, C points are given. These are the vertices of a triangle. Which triangle? ABC. What is M? M is a point where on AB. AB पर M क्या है? एक point है. Such that AM ratio MB is equal to 1:2. M is a point on AB such that AM ratio MB is equal to 1:2. M AB पर एक point है, वह लाइन AB को डिवाइड करता है किसमें? In ratio 1:2. So first question asking that find the coordinate of M. पहले हमको M निकालना है. By which formula? Section formula. Then hence find the equation of line passing through C and M. After getting M, then we have to find the equation of straight line which passing through C and M. There are two parts in this question. So let's see how will you do. A, B, C, 2 5, B minus 1 2, C 5 8. M is any point on this line M. Let coordinate of M be x y such that AM ratio MB, AM ratio MB 1:2. First part had to find that M. By which formula? Because M is a point on line which divide the line in the ratio 1:2. So we have to use here section formula to find M, to find x y. X is equal to mx2, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m plus m1 plus m2 in previous exercise. So to find the m, I will not teach more about this. Already I completed, I explained earlier exercise. To find the coordinate of m, suppose this is m1 and this is m2. m1, m2. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. m1, what? x2. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. m1, x2. 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 plus m1 x2 plus m2 x1. It means that 2 into 2. m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. This is for the x. Now come for the y. For the y, m1 y2, 1 into 2. 1 into 2 plus m2 y1, 2 into 5 upon 1 plus 2. Simplify that. Minus 1 plus 4, 3, 2 plus 10 upon 3. That is m minus 4 minus 1 3 upon 3 and 12 upon 3. 3 3 cancel 1, 3 4 ja 12. So your coordinate came 1 comma 4, right? So this is the coordinate of m which lies on the line AB. Now next part we have to find the equation of a straight line which is passing through C and M. Your M came 1 comma 4, line passing through C and M. We have to find this equation of this line CM. This line passing through C point and M point. Clear? The formula, just previous questions I had done there. If line is passing through 2 points. So let me erase this. Now equation of the line passing through C 5 8 and M 1 comma 4. So equation of a straight line passing through 2 points, already you know the formula. What do you have to apply? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. This is the x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. Right? Very simple. So some vehicles, they produce the sound. Tractor was going, so I paused the video. Now student, equation of the line passing through 5 8 and 1 4. Formula you have to apply this. Write down y minus, what is y1? 8 is equal to y2 minus y1, 4 minus 8. x2 minus x1, 1 minus 5. x minus x1, x minus 5. Right? Now simplify. Y minus 8 is equal to 4 minus 8 minus 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4. So minus 4 upon minus 4 and x minus 5. Correct? Na? 4 minus 8. This is the bigger. So minus 4, 1 minus 5. 5 is bigger here. So minus 4 is cancelled, became the 1. So you have to write y minus 8 is equal to x minus 5. Transpose this. Y or this transpose. इसी को ले जाइए उधर. So x minus 5 minus y plus 8 is equal to what? 0. So x minus y minus 5 plus 8. कितना? How much? Yes, that is 3. X minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the line which passing through 2 points C and M. How was the question? Student, I think that you are feeling the very relaxed with the mathematics. Really, mathematics is very easy subject. So next question 30, question number 30 of exercise 12.1. Before teaching question number 30, I want to give the hint of question number 29. In this 3 verses of a parallelogram ABCD taken in order A given, B given and C given, but D not given that. So we have to find a D. This is the parallelogram. So as in exercise, previous exercise in section formula, this type question came that. So third vertex was defined in the parallelogram, 3 was the given. So same process here to apply here to find the D point that. And then asking that length of diagonal BD, there will be 2 points after the getting D, there will be 2 points B and D. Then you have to find a distance by distance formula. What you have to find a distance of BD. You have to apply this formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square to find the length of BD. Then third asking the equation of side AB of the parallelogram ABCD. AB का equation डिमांड कर रहा है A and B. So A point and B point given that. So by using these 2 points, you can find the equation of a straight line passing through point A and point B, as I done the previous question. Right? So let's see question number 30. Good question. In question number 30, given figure as given in the figure that this is line इंटरसेप्ट ऑन एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस एट पॉइंट ए एंड एट पॉइंट बी. ये कोई लाइन है एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस को इंटरसेप्ट करता है. कहाँ पर? एट ए एंड एट बी. डिस्टेंस नॉट गिवन फ्रॉम 0 to A and 0 to B. We have to find at point A and point B. But P is given. P given there. What is P? P is the midpoint of which? AB. Yes? P is the midpoint of A and B. Coordinate of A and B we have to find it. First target to find the coordinate of A and B. A और B का coordinates आपको निकालना है. Now tell that what can you consider point A. A को क्या हम मान सकते हैं? 0, A correct है? 0, A not correct that. You have to take that A, 0. Why? Because on x axis y value will be 0. Okay, this is the below. ठीक है? Negative होगा. Here can you consider that B 0, minus B. अच्छा, अगर आप भूल जाते हैं 0, minus B नहीं लेते हैं, केवल 0B लेते हैं, 0B. So don't worry, your answer automatic will come the negative. आपका आंसर नेगेटिव आएगा. Okay? So don't worry about this that. Now, so either take the 0, minus B or 0, B. On y axis x value will be 0. On x axis y value will be 0. So let A 0 and B 0, minus B. ठीक? Now what is P? P is the midpoint of which line AB. So by using the midpoint we have to find the A and B. Suppose this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So x1 plus x2 upon 2 is equal to 2. y1 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to minus 3. So let's see. A midpoint P we can find that Wait, tractor. Now gone. Tractor was going. Now let A and B, these 2 points, midpoint P, A x1 plus x2 upon 2, A plus 0 upon 2, 0 minus B upon 2. This will be equal to किस P के minus 2 comma minus 3. यह पॉइंट इसके इक्वल है क्योंकि ए बी मिड पॉइंट है. इट मीन दैट ए प्लस 0 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 2. आर ऐसे लिख दीजिए ए अपॉन 2, क्योंकि ए प्लस 0 कितना होगा, ए प्लस 0 व्हाट विल बी ए एंड 0 माइनस बी अपॉन 2. so a upon 2 is equal to 2 minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 3. so a upon 2 is equal to 2. transpose the 2, how much, a is equal to 4. so a came. now minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 3. minus cancel. b is equal to how much, 6. clear. now so what will be point a and b. Point A will be 4 comma 0 and point B will be 0 comma minus 6. So let me remove this. Oh, full I removed that. Okay, no problem there. So point A, first part का आंसर आ गया A 4 comma 0 and B how much, 0 comma minus 6. Okay, yeah, delete it. Now second part, this coordinate came there, and second part, slope of the line AB. This is the line AB, where to find the slope. so दो पॉइंट अब आपको पता स्लोप नहीं निकल जाएगा किससे, फॉर्मूला m इज इक्वल टू y2 माइनस y1 x2 माइनस x1 y1 x2 y2. सपोज दिस इज x1 y1 x2 y2. so y2 minus y1 minus 6, y2 minus y1 0, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 minus 6 minus 0 upon x2 minus x1 0 minus 4. here that became minus 6 upon minus 4. minus cancelled. 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 3 upon 2. so we found that second part, slope of AB is equal to 3 2. slope of the line AB is equal to 3 upon 2. so first part came and second part came. Third is asking the equation of line AB. AB का equation निकालना है. I will do. We have to find the equation of AB. So this work now you should do. Okay. Slope came and 2 point given. चाहे एक पॉइंट में ले लीजिए. The equation of a straight line. Equation of the line AB passing through A, how much, 4 0, and slope is 3/2. एक पॉइंट और स्लोप पता है आपको, लगाइए इक्वेशन. विच इक्वेशन? so y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. y minus 0 m 3/2 x minus x1 4. simplified. that will be y is equal to 3/2 x minus 4. transpose this 2y, 3 से multiply, 3x minus 12 multiply by 3 in the bracket, open the bracket. now transpose this to 3x minus 12 minus 2y is equal to what? or can write 3x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. I think that, I hope that this is the correct result will be that. So student, these 3 questions I completed of the exercise 12.1. Few more questions having in this exercise. So student, that is for you, that you can do your practice to improve your knowledge, to improve your brain. Practice make the perfect man. That so try. Otherwise, I don't know. Thanks. So student, so today now this much is enough. Now do rest question for you. That thanks all of you.